people increase unemployed, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Unemployed, yeah, unemployed, or educated unemployed. If you have a double degree, if you completed your M.Tech, then you don't ready to do clerical type of job in diploma course job, right? Because you always think I have a double degree on my hand. I have a handsome degree. Then why I will do in diploma course job? I want to seat a authority seat, right? I want to take a handsome salary, 1 lakh per month. If you increase your degree on your hand, then your ego also increase simultaneously. Yeah, right, right. Because their ego hurt them, right? Yeah, because they don't want to. What you think about me? Tell me. Then I also completed my degree. Yep. I have completed my BSc. Yep. You can say 6, 7 years. Yep. Yeah. Maybe I appeared so many competitive exam, then maybe lack of knowledge or lack of intelligence, IQ, I didn't get any type of job. Then right now I am unemployed, but I am trying to do something. I have a long term and short term goal on my hand. But let's see what happen in future, and future is unpredictable. We cannot tell, right? Then we always only try. We can try, that's it. But we don't focus result, right? We should not result oriented. We should focus our input. Is it? And we get automatic output. Right, right. Right. Then we cannot do that kind of. We only focus input, and then we can do it anything, right? Then let's see in future what happened. But okay, you tell me one thing. What brings you here? Yep. Mhm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Right. Hmm. Right. Right. And in future also you sit on campus interview, right? Then if you right, right, of course. Yeah, because we are living in India. India is a languages country. All state have different languages. Then we don't have language partner, and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? Then this type of platform provide language learner, and this type of platform provide English speaking atmosphere. Then if we don't have any language partner and any kind of atmosphere, then we should depend in this type of platform. At least we get chance to interact with anyone 10 to 5 minutes, then we improve our fluency. Simultaneously we keep on touching with our confidence, right? Yeah, right, Mm-hmm. Right. Because we, yeah, we don't know who speak English. Then we have to speak with them in our mother tongue, right? Otherwise, if anyone starts speak with us, I am talking about well-educated people, not talking about any type of people, right? Right now, you are a student. If you want to interact with your professor, or your professor speak with any time in English, then definitely you get also atmosphere to interact with them, right? And that's why we have to practice also online, offline, right? Then that is also required. Sometime what? Mhm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Right, right. Because of they don't have they don't have bright future, and they don't have mission, vision, and destination, right? That's why they make you laugh, but you have a clear vision, mission, and destination. You see your future, and you want to build your bright future. Then if you want to build your bright future, what require that future, then definitely you can work out right now, right? Because you cannot force anyone to practice with you. But if you come online, if you get anyone, you talk with them. That's simple technique. Right, right. Hmm. That's why even though you see who are good speaker, fluent speaker, they are practicing, right? Language always changes, right? And that's why we have to adapt, because right now wanna gonna, right? This kind of, before I want to talk with you, I wanna talk with you, I want to go market, I wanna go to market, right? These kind of changes little bit. Short form, filler words always changes. Then yeah, if we don't